Normally, when I wash the truck, I use a concoction of different products like Auto Finesse, Maguire's, however you pronounce it, and a whole bunch of other bits and bobs. But today, we're strictly using products from Sonax. This is not a sponsored video. Wish it was, Sonax, if you're watching. I'm also very aware we're losing the light. So we're gonna crack on. I'm just gonna do a bit of a montage. I'm not gonna chat too much. Most people say to wash the wheels first, so we're going to do that. Give them a little rinse. As you know, I don't have an outside tap, so watering can it is.
Therapy to me. Dawn in the driveway, slow on the rag. One bucket, one towel, one dent in the cab. Rust on the fender, soap on your hands. I wipe and I breathe like you understand. Grit in the corners, mud at the seams. Old paint waking up under soft streams. I don't need perfect, I need this part. Slow little motions, quiet in my heart. Let the phone run down, let the day go still. Round and round, I can feel it heal. One more pass, one more shine in this small time. I feel fine. It's therapy to me, therapy to me. This rusty pickup, it sets me free. It might look pointless, might look like a mess, but my hands know best, they know how to rest. Therapy to me, therapy to me. Chrome on the mirror, clouded and dim. I bring back the edges bit by bit, limb by limb. Soap in the grooves, wax on the tail. Small little miracles in every trail. Volkswagens are stupid and cool at the same time. Yeah, that's the kind of thing that stays on my mind. Ugly and perfect, funny and true. Same way this old truck keeps bringing me through. Let the water hum, let the scuffs go light. If I'm here with you, then the world feels right. Slow little circle, calm little spark. Clean up the day before it gets dark. It's therapy to me, therapy to me. This rusty pickup, it sets me free. It might look pointless, might look like a mess, but my hands know best, they know how to rest. Therapy to me, therapy to me. Let me stay here, let me take my time. On the door, on the hood, on the line, by the spine. If my mind runs loud, I bring it back slow. To the bucket, the rag, to the afterglow. One clean panel, one deep breath. Little by little I forget the stress. Tell me again, you can see it too. In the shine, in the grain, in the life coming through. It's therapy to me, therapy to me. This rusty pickup, it sets me free. It might look pointless, might look like a mess, but my hands know best, they know how to rest. Therapy to me, therapy to me. Soft as the rinse, easy as rain. Wash off the weak, wash off the pain. Leave me the rag, leave me the shine. This little ritual is mine, is mine.
Okay, so time for my opinion. The car shampoo didn't really smell of anything. Normally they smell of something, and it wasn't incredibly sudsy. I don't know if that's the wash mitt or the amount I used. I used 2 capfuls as it suggested. It wasn't crazy sudsy, but it did the job. The wheel cleaner, very, very impressed with the wheel cleaner. Really like that one. The glass cleaner, always a good option. Really does actually make the glass super shiny. Ceramic spray, very nice. Leaves quite a nice silky touch. I don't know if that's something you're into. And then of course we've got the plastics spray, which works really nice, as you saw on the door card there. You're not supposed to use it on leather. Lucky for me, I don't actually have real leather in the truck, but we don't have all the Sonax products. That would be nice, but I'm sure there's other products out there that, you know, can dress the tires and clean more bits and bats. But remember, we're dealing with what we've got. We've got zero budget pretty much, so we're using minimal products to maintain a classic vehicle. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and let me know in the comments below, what would you like to see next? Because I'm pretty open to suggestions. All right.
Therapy to me. Dawn in the driveway, slow on the rag. One bucket, one towel, one dent in the cab. Rust on